Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to explore one of nature's sweetest miracles: how bees make honey. Bees are incredible creatures that play a vital role in our ecosystem. But have you ever wondered how they transform nectar into that golden goodness? Let's dive in. The process of honey production begins with the foraging bees. These bees venture out in search of flowers, collecting nectar as their energy source. Nectar is a sugary liquid found in the flowers, and it serves as the raw material for honey production. Once a foraging bee finds a flower with nectar, it uses its long tongue, called a proboscis, to suck up the nectar. The nectar is stored in a special honey stomach separate from its regular stomach. Back at the hive, the foraging bee regurgitates the nectar into the mouth of another bee, which continues the process. This bee adds special enzymes to the nectar, such as invertase and amylase, which break down the complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars like glucose and fructose. The bees then spread the nectar throughout the honeycomb cells. They fan their wings to evaporate the water content from the nectar, making it thicker and transforming it into honey. This process is helped by the warmth generated by the bees in the hive. Once the moisture content of the honey reaches a certain level, the bees seal the cells with beeswax to preserve the honey. This sealed honey will serve as their food source during times when nectar is scarce, such as winter. In conclusion, the process of how bees make honey is truly remarkable. From collecting nectar from flowers to transforming it into honey through enzymes and evaporation, bees demonstrate incredible teamwork and ingenuity. Honey is not only a delicious treat for us but also an essential food source for bees. It's important to appreciate and protect these fascinating pollinators, as they play a vital role in our environment and food production. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this topic.